Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 91. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we enjoy the local markets at Fulton Plaza and then walk through the Civic Center Plaza towards the city's grand landmark, San Francisco City Hall. Fulton Plaza sits between Larkin and Hyde Street, a short stretch that is transformed into a lively outdoor market several times a week. Known as the heart of the City Farmers Market, it's one of the oldest and most community-oriented markets in San Francisco, operating here since 1981. Dozens of regional farmers and food producers set up stalls, offering fresh fruit, vegetables, bread, flowers, and handmade goods, many sourced from within 100-mile radius of the city. For locals, this plaza has always served as more than just a shopping spot. It's a social space, a place where office workers, families, and community members meet for lunch or conversation. The market's presence also represents one of the city's more hopeful efforts to keep the Civic Center vibrant and welcoming, balancing its bureaucratic atmosphere with something more human and everyday. Leaving Fulton Plaza, we cross into the Civic Center Plaza itself, an open expanse framed by symmetrical rows of trees and government buildings. Designed in the Beaux Arts style, the plaza was laid out after the 1906 earthquake as part of San Francisco's grand City Beautiful plan. The idea was to express civic unity through architecture, broad boulevards, public art, and a central axis leading directly to City Hall. Ahead, the San Francisco City Hall dominates the skyline. Completed in 1915, it replaced the earlier City Hall destroyed by the earthquake. Its dome rises 93 meters or 307 feet high, taller than the US Capitol's, and is sheathed in gold leaf, making it one of the city's most recognizable silhouettes. Inside are marble staircases, ornate chambers, and murals celebrating the city's rebirth in the early 20th century. City Hall isn't just an architectural landmark, it's been the stage for some of San Francisco's most defining moments. From the signing of the United Nations Charter in 1945 to civic celebrations and public vigils. Its steps have seen both triumph and tragedy, reflecting the city's resilience through changing times. As we walk through the plaza towards the base of the dome, the atmosphere feels calmer, open, spacious, and filled with history. Around us, children play, locals rest on benches, and the hum of the city life continues between the echoing columns and distant streetcars. That concludes today's episode. Our stroll through the markets at Fulton Plaza and the Civic Center Plaza, ending beneath the golden dome of the City Hall, the symbolic heart of San Francisco's civic life.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.